Hello! Today we are performing a brow lightening procedure. Let's take a look at our before. The first step is cleansing. I use a foam cleanser for deep cleaning of the brow hairs and the skin around the brows. With a dry cotton pad, I remove any remaining foam and then I degrease the brows. For degreasing, I use a two-phase tonic, moistening a cotton pad and gently going over the brow hairs and the area around the brows. For lightening, I use perfect bleach powder and oxygen oxidizer. I mix them in equal proportions, 1:1, in a non-metallic cup to achieve a uniform consistency. This is approximately the consistency we should achieve. After that, generously apply the paste to the brows. Try to distribute it evenly over all the hairs. The exposure time for the mixture is no more than 10 minutes. For light hair, 7 to 8 minutes. For dark hair, 9 to 10 minutes. After the bleaching powder has finished processing, remove it from the brows with a damp cotton pad. To thoroughly cleanse the mixture from the brows, I use BrowXenna Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Remove the foam as well with a dry cotton pad. To restore the hair after bleaching, I use Botox treatment. And to enhance the effect of the Botox, I cover the brows with a film. I leave the Botox on the brows for 5 to 10 minutes, then blot with a cotton swab if needed. Now we can see the result of the brows immediately after bleaching. If necessary, you can proceed with further coloring.